Please subscribe Reaz.Talukder YouTube channel. At the beginning of this video, accept my sincere love. Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Anyway, your support is very much for me, so I am hopeful that you will support me properly. If you have any problems, you can join through my Facebook page or groups. I hope to discuss with you as soon as possible, inshallah.
How are you?
I am fine.
I have a problem.
Tell me what the problem.
My problem is if someone searches me on Facebook and can't find my Facebook ID.
The reason they can't find your Facebook ID because of your Facebook ID has not been customized.
How to customize my Facebook?
If you want to learn how to customize, watch my video patiently. I hope you can understand.
Please teach me how to do it without delay.
Okay, let's go how to do it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.